Starting off with Earn by Time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and our first order is going to be a Subway going about 4.5 miles. The pickup and drop off are both pretty close to each other, so I'm just going to go ahead and guess no tip on this one straight away. Yeah, for Maria. There you go. Thank you. Yeah, I was right. No tip on that one. Total was $4 and change. Next up, we've got a Starbucks going 2.5 miles. Thank you.
Any chance I can get either one?
Total for that order was $6. It's been quite some wait, but we finally got the next order. This is Carl's Jr. going about 6.5 miles. Thank you. Me too. Total for that order ended up being $9. Just got the next order. This is Muchas Gracias going 4 miles. Couple hours early on that one. The sun being out so early in the morning is throwing me off.
Hi, I can help you.
Thank you. I thought that was bubble wrap, but it wasn't popping. Unfortunate. Total for that order was just under $9. Next up, we've got a Mr. Maple Donuts. This one is going about 6.5 miles. Hello. Yes. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Yep, you too. Here you are.
Thank you much.
Yep. Have a good day. Total for that one was $9. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one's $9, going 4 miles, 4 items.
Items one again now.
Next up, we've got a Wendy's. This one is going 4.5 miles. Thank you. You too. Total for that one was $10. Very nice. We've got a Burger King. This one is $7 and change, going just under 4 miles.
There you go.
Thank you. Next order up is a McDonald's. This one is going 4.5 miles. No tip on that one. Total ended up being $6, and we got the next order right away. This is Taco Bell going 2 miles.
Welcome in.
Thank you. No tip on that one. Gotta love it. Just got the next order. This is Crumble Cookie going 4 miles. Thank you.
Yeah, have a good day.
You too. Another no tip. Very nice. Total for that was $7. Oh, wrong finger. Garage sale. Don't mind if I do. Where is it at? That is a sad garage sale. Never mind. I was just about to call it, but then we got this order that looks pretty decent. to seize the bagel, $8, going just under 4 miles. There's that.
Have a good day.
You as well, thank you. Okay, I'm gonna call it here. Current time is 9:48. Current total, we are at 84, and we're waiting on 2 Uber tips. So I'll throw up the total whenever that comes in. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.